Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Gil Trading Lab. If you're new to this YouTube channel, please like this video, share and subscribe. So on today's video, I'm going to be doing a weekly focus on the gold against the dollar, and I'm going to start from the daily time frame. As you can see here on top here, it's the daily time frame. So let's start. So on the daily time frame, my swing structure is bullish. This is my current swing range. This is my strong swing low, and this is my weak swing high. And within the swing range, there's this internal structure which shifted bearish over here. You can see internal shifted bearish, and after that it has been bearish to facilitate the swing pullback. And then now, after price mitigated the strong swing low, we can see the internal has shifted bullish. At first, I thought that price could target this liquidity first before we could see that internal shift bullish, or I also thought that this liquidity will be used for this internal to remain bearish, so we can get that weekly swing pullback. But we can see internal has shifted bullish. Probably it has shifted bullish to signal the end of the swing pullback, and now we could see that internal order flow remain bullish for price to target the weak swing high, and also we can see that buy side liquidity above there, which price could target. We also see all this liquidity over here that price could target. Another thing is there's still liquidity below here, so maybe this could be a fake move, fake out, and we could see internal shift bearish, and then target all that liquidity plus all this, and we could either see that swing shift bearish, or we could see just a sweep of liquidity and followed by the continuation of order flow to target the weak swing high. So for this coming week, as you can see, this is the current internal range that we're working with. We've had that break of structure. So during this week, we could either see the continuation of this leg, or we could see price start to form that internal pullback. So that's all for the daily time frame. Let's drop down to the that's all for the daily time frame. Let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, this is my swing structure. Let me put it like this. So this is my swing range. This is my strong swing low, and we haven't had a significant pullback. That's why I've only labeled this as my weak internal high. But then this swing range is also the daily internal range. So let me zoom in so we can see. Also on the swing leg, we have this internal range, where this is my strong internal low and this is my weak internal high. So last week we can see price pullback. We had that internal pullback. Price pullback, soft liquidity below this internal low. So for this coming week, we might either see order flow shift bullish for price to target, because currently this PBL is holding. So we might either see this PBL fail plus followed by order flow shift. Then we can see price target the week high. So for this week, we might see price forming the continuation of this internal leg after the break of structure, or we could see after the internal break of structure, we could see an internal pullback, or we could see, because we're expecting that deep swing pullback, we could see internal shift bearish. This PBL could hold, or maybe it can get swept, followed by internal to shift bearish, and then we could see now after the internal break of structure, we could see the continuation, either see continuation of the internal leg or a pullback, so we can get that deep 4-hour swing pullback, which is also the daily internal pullback. So that's all for this YouTube video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe.